Hi everyone. Today's topic is about the impact of food industry on Indonesia economy. First, what exactly is food industry? The food industry is a complex global network of diverse business that supplies most of the food consumed by the world's population. The term food industry covers a serious industrial activity directed at the production, distribution, processing, conversion, preparation, preservation, transport, certification, and packaging of foodstuff. Food industry Indonesia. To, to produce food, this type of industry in Indonesia use large amount of raw materials obtained directly from the agricultural sector. Thus, this type of industry in Indonesia is almost entirely depend on the agricultural industry. This sector covers everything from agriculture and food production, preservation, packaging, and distribution to retail and catering. Such a complex industry requires a wide range of skill, which in turn creates workplace in several hundreds types of job. First, key facts about Indonesia food system. First, as in some countries, Indonesia is heterogeneous in terms of development. Some part, particularly in urban Java, Bali, mimic the pattern in the upper middle income Asian countries, while many are still lagging like some African countries. Second, more than 90% of food is tradable in the market, meaning a very small portion of food is self-sufficiently cultivated and consumed by own household. The third fact is that more than half of the food consumed by the urban household, obviously, most of them are net buyers of food and obtain their food consumption through the market. This relatively higher share of urban food consumption is very straightforward. First, Indonesia population is dominated by urbanites, and second, the per capita food consumption of urban household is higher than their counterparts in rural area. The impact of COVID-19 on food industry in Indonesia. COVID-19 has created pressure on Indonesia food security through decreased income and reduced access, as well as increased transaction costs and uncertainty access as well as increased transaction costs and uncertainty in country's food system. The effect of COVID-19 on food security concern various actors in the food system, different food commodities, and multiple aspects including availability, access, and nutrition. On the demand side, COVID-19 threatens food security through its adverse effect on employment and poverty, as well as nutrition and health outcomes. The Indonesian food industry has shown its support to the economic growth during the COVID-19 pandemic. The sector is facing many challenges, including food safety issues. From an investor perspective, Indonesian food sector has long been perceived to be an attractive target. Over the last 5 years, the sector has recorded the largest investment realization among 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 secondary sector, totaling some 200 trillion rupiah. Effect on food security. The COVID-19 pandemic could affect Indonesia food security by disrupting food distribution, increase transaction costs, and lowering the purchase power of both rural and urban households. Looking at the price, while there are impact on both supply and demand might be more significant concern for for food security as COVID-19 cases continue to increase and prolong the economic downturn. On the supply side, there were some disruption in the availability of certain food items, such as sugar and onion, causing the price increase early in the pandemic, which has in ease as the government allow more import based on MOA prognosis. Food stock and production for major food items should be sufficient to meet demand, though some commodities such as sugar, beef, and garlic require imports. Despite the late harvest season last year, full full year rice production in 2020 was marginally higher than in 2019. This year, the harvest season has shifted back to quarter 1 2021, resulting a 52% increase in production compared to quarter 1 2020. While there have been some disruption in the food supply chain, they generally have limited effect on the food supply. On the on the demand side, the food security is threatened by income shocks and purchasing power decline to pandemic effect on the economy. The poverty rate increased to 10.2% in September 2020, up from 9.8% in March 2020. This represents an addition of 1.13 million people below poverty line, following a 1.63 million increase in March 2020 from September. 2019, the unemployment rate also increased to 7.1% in August 2020, up from 4.9% in February 2020. Although the unemployment fell in February 2021, it remained 1.32 percentage point above the pre-pandemic level. Various surveys have reported that households are eating less during the COVID pandemic. Post-farm effect. There have been disruption in the post-farm food supply chain due to stricter protocols and social restriction and transmission risk in downstream food distribution, such as traditional market. This has led to supply gluts in some food warehouse and distribution centers, which could adversely affect the price for producers and lead to higher food waste for perishable. This disruption also increased transaction costs, worsening inefficiency in the food supply chain. Stricter protocol and social restriction. Stricter protocols such as health standard and checkpoint could disturb the food supply chain. For, for instance, truck driver traveling between certain regions must be isolated for 14 days upon arrival, which could reduce the available personnel and increase distribution costs. Checkpoints on land routes and sea could also slow food disturbance, especially if there is an inadequate number of workers. There have been cases of social restriction and roadblocks hindering food distribution at the regional level. Even though the food is exempt from travel restriction, transportation bans to PSBB and red zone areas could still disrupt food distribution by imposing checkpoints and permit requirements. Effect on the farm sector. While farm activity are not subject to high risk of COVID-19 transmission, the farm sector faces various risks from COVID-19 disruption downstream. Supply gluts in the food supply chain and decreased demand could depress price for the farm sector. Farm sector of certain food commodities might be more impacted than others. For instance, COVID-19 restrictions have badly affected the hotels and restaurant sector, decreasing its demand for poultry, affecting the maize farm sector. Furthermore, relaxed import policy for sugar and onion could lower price for local producers and hurt farmer welfare. Effect on the labor market. Unlike in developed countries where many farms are rely on migrant workers, the agriculture labor market in Indonesia is more resilient to COVID-19. Food prices have moved both up and down through the pandemic with no singular trend, where farmer terms of trade have generally increased. The previous risk of negative agricultural labor supply did not realize the outbreak were much more served in urban areas than rural areas. On the contrary, layoff and worsening prospect in non-agriculture sector have forced workers to migrate to agriculture, increasing their labor supply. Effect on the information. Uncertainty could adversely affect various markets, including food market. At the domestic level, uncertainty due to COVID-19 could increase information asymmetries between suppliers, producer, seller, and consumer, which may hinder food trade and cause volatile price movement. There has been anecdotal evidence of agri-food business losing access to markets due to COVID-19, such as chicken farmers in Papua having their feed input supply disturbed due to lockdowns in Java. So that's all from the presentation. Thank you.